Alright, hello everybody. This is Charles the Intern coming at you from therocketnerd.com. I'm here to help you learn how to edit your Rocket Nerd website after you've created it using the online tool. So I'm going to make a couple assumptions here. Number one, you've gone to therocketnerd.com, you've signed up, you've used the website creation tool, and you have a brand new website and you're raring to get going on it and you want to change stuff. Number two, I'm going to assume that you're watching this video in full screen on YouTube in the highest quality you can. That way you'll be able to see everything better. This is just a full screen capture, so that's the best way to do it. The other thing that I'd highly recommend, I'm using Mozilla Firefox for my web browser, but I would highly recommend using either Mozilla Firefox or Google Chrome as your web browser. Sometimes Internet Explorer looks a little different. They don't support kind of the same things. I would just recommend using one of those two when you're going through everything, and that way everything should be the exact same for you as it is for me here. So let's get started. The first thing you're going to want to do is navigate to your website. So the URL for your website should have been sent to you. You also should have picked it out when you made your site on the Rocket Nerd. So in my case, it's youtube.com/therocketnerd.com. So when I go there, you can see my site loads right up. I have a nice logo up here, slideshow, everything like that. So the next thing you're going to want to do is edit all these things. The site looks nice, but how can I change what I want to do? So the answer to that question is you're going to log into the back end of WordPress. So all our sites use a content management system, which I will call CMS from now on, just so you know, called WordPress. Now, WordPress is used all over the web. Huge sites like the New York Times, the LA Times, everything like that use WordPress as their content management system, and it's just a really great CMS. It's very powerful and you have so many options, so that's why we chose to use it. Pretty much this is like a starter site. If you want to keep it, that's great, but other than that, sky's the limit. You can change anything you want on here. So let's get started doing that. What you're going to want to do is go to your URL and then type /wp-admin. So that's /wp-admin. When you hit enter, it'll bring you to the WordPress login screen. It'll look something like this. So now here, you're going to want to type in your username and password. This should have also been sent to you in the email when your website was created via the Rocket Nerd. So you should have this information. You can log in. Feel free to click Remember Me, and then you only have to do it once on your computer. Not a big deal. So once you log in, this is the back end of WordPress. You can see that this is called the dashboard. It gives an overview of your site, everything like that, and this is going to be kind of your landing page. Not a lot of work will be done in here. Most of the work will be done kind of on the side here, where there's posts, media pages, everything like that. So we'll go into those in later videos, but for right now I just wanted to show you how to log in, get into your WordPress, and that's it. The other thing that I do want to talk about is the WordPress codex. So I'm just going to open up a new tab here, and I'm going to Google search WordPress codex. And as you can see, the first link, main page, WordPress codex, I'm going to click on that. It's codex.wordpress.org. And here we are. So this is WordPress's giant database of questions and answers. Everything you'd ever want to know is available in here. So if you have any questions that our videos don't answer, anything you want to know, this is the best place to look. There's a very convenient search right up here. I would use it as much as you can if you want to get serious about changing your website. The other thing that you can do is use, of course, Google and YouTube. WordPress is so big, so many people use it that there's a wealth of content available. You can search YouTube and find a video on how to do almost anything using WordPress. Obviously, we're posting our videos to YouTube, so feel free to do that. Look at anything you want. It's great. There's just a wealth of information, and it's all available for you. So that's it for this video. In the next video, we're going to go how to create a page, and I'll see you then.